morning. Good morning, everyone. Nandito tayo ngayon to inspect the new terminal, passenger terminal ng Lucena Port. Hindi pa tapos, but it should be ready by next month. Tapos marami pang mga development ang gagawin dito. They will also, kasi marami ililipat yung mga vendor na nandyan ngayon. Ililipat dyan. So hopefully by the beginning early of next year, tapos na yan, mailipat na natin sila para, kasi madi-displace nila madi-displace yung mga vendor. But this was necessary to be done because the traffic going through Lucena, Lucena Port is approximately 500,000 travelers every year. Kaya kailangan talaga i-upgrade na yung ating mga facilities at saka maglagay tayo ng para matulungan ang ating mga traveling public at hindi sila masyadong mahirapan. They will be, kung medyo may kalayuan ang babaan, meron naman dadalhin yung PPA, nandyan na yung mga shuttle bus para hindi na sila dahil kadalasan pag nagbabiyahe maraming bit-bit yan, may dala pang anak kuminsan, so they cannot walk too far. So kaya ang ginawa, maglalagay tayo ng shuttle bus para doon sa passenger terminal. And this terminal can accommodate at any one time 900 travelers. So kayang-kaya yung traffic for now. Although my experience pag infrastructure, pag ginawa mo mapupuno mapupuno ka agad But never mind, that's why we do it, para to encourage the traffic and to make sure that our travelers are safe and that it is convenient, hindi mahirapan. And we also have a facility in case na may stranded ang mga tao dito. We will be providing a facility so that also meron silang mapuntahan habang nag-aantay. At alam natin, madalas dito ang bagyo na dumadaan, natitigil ang mga biyahe at may stranded yung mga tao. So we have to also accommodate them. And that's why we have prepared all of these facilities for them. I hope that this will be sufficient at least for the future. But of course, we will continue to develop. As I said, my experience is when pag nagpapatayo tayo ng infrastructure, kung ano man ang itatayo mo, mapupuno yan. Kaya sasabihin mo pa, good na yan for 10 years. Hindi nauuna yung taon at napupuno. But that's good. Good for the commerce of the region, good for Lucena, good for Quezon, good for all of the surrounding ports also, to have this better and more convenient and more comfortable facilities that we have put up here. So we'll continue to monitor, and I think that we will be able to complete all of this in the scheduled time. Walang masyadong slippage. All right? Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.